As we go through our daily lives, it's difficult to tell what might happen the very next moment. At home, at work, walking along the street with friends, the possibility of some unexpected happening is always present. Help is needed quickly. In an emergency, Detroiters can always depend on their police department to provide aid. No matter what the need may be, the police force is there, trained to do the right thing. Calls for assistance are received at the Central Headquarters building.